Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I am about wrapped up on this wash and wax for Highlander, but the customer came in saying that she wanted to have her headlights polished, and real quick I'm going to show you what those before pictures looked like right now. Alright, so you can see what I was talking about. We had a lot of yellowing, fogginess, fading to the plastic. You can tell where the UV has just kind of broken down and the sun has started to do its damage to the headlights. Now, when it comes to headlight restoration and when your headlights start to fail like that, you're going to be constantly playing a game of catch up. And a lot of times, if you take your headlights to a detailer, they're going to end up just go ahead and do a wet sand to the vehicle. They're going to start with 1,000 grit, then 1,500, then 2,000, 2,500, 3,000. Then they're going to compound polish, and then depending on the materials that they have, they may do a coating. They may do 2K clear coat. Let's say they stop at 2,000 grit sandpaper, they may hit it with 2K clear coat, but that's quite an expensive procedure for them to do. And a lot of times customers, by the time you do the wet sanding, the clear coating, or the 2K clear coat, it might be actually cheaper for them to just go ahead and buy new headlights. So I want to share with you guys a opportunity to kind of make a very quick upsell to your customers. Now I'm only charging this customer $25 for these headlights. And you might be thinking that's super cheap, you're giving the service away for free, but I'm going to tell you guys, it took me 5 minutes worth of work. And honestly, I used very little product. I could probably get 20 to 30 headlights with the amount of product that I've used, and I want to share with you guys what I did. So forgive me, my polisher's on the ground, but just deal with it, Landon. I know you have a weird issue with that, but I have an MT300 right here. This is a very beginner friendly DA polisher that McGuire's has out. This was actually my first DA, and I actually purchased a product from McKees 37. Now I know you're probably thinking you love McKees, everything is McKees. Well, I'm going to promote a product if it works, and I want to tell you guys this product right here has made me so much money with this little bottle. I think I maybe spent $45, maybe $90 max on a kit. I don't remember, I bought a promotional. They have like buy one get one sales or 30-40% off sales, so if you time it just right and you get a sale, you can buy, they have a headlight restoring kit where it comes with the polish, the headlight coating, and this is a 1 to 3 year headlight coating based on how you maintain it. But I would say that this is anywhere from a 2 to 3 year ceramic coating for headlights. It comes with about 2 or 3 of these purple wool LC pads, and within that kit, let's say you spend $90 for the kit. I'm just guessing. I'll actually put the link down below. You'll have to forgive me. I haven't purchased the product in a while because obviously I'm still using it. But let's say you spend $90 for the kit and you were to charge $30. Let's say that's super cheap. $30 for a headlight polish and coating. Within 3 jobs, it would have paid for itself, and you're going to get probably, I'd say, at least 2 dozen headlights out of the polish, and you're going to get multiple coatings. I don't even know how many coatings. Now, I will say this bottle of coating is only good for about 4 to 6 months, so you want to make sure that you're using it within the allotted time. If you are using it beyond the 6-month window, it's probably not going to give you the 1 to 3 years. It's going to be difficult to buff off, but for the price and for the amount of profit that you can make doing a headlight polish and ceramic coating, this is a no-brainer. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this little video showing you guys this product. I apologize that I didn't have any video to show you of the actual polishing, but again, you can always check that out on McKees 37 website. But it is a very easy, quick, simple process to do. 5 minutes per headlight maximum to be able to polish, wipe off, do your panel prep, and then do your ceramic coating. 10 minutes, you're in and out the door. You've been able to provide a quality service to your customer that you know is going to keep them safe at night. And you've also been able to kind of upsell and provide yourself and market yourself as a multi-dimensional detailer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give us a thumbs up if you like it. If you find that you have another product that works just as well or is more affordable, feel free to send that in the comments down below for anyone who is interested in a quality headlight restoration, polish, or coating. This may not work for everyone, but in my world this works. So, you know, let's just continue to educate and share what we know with our fellow detailers. But like I said, if you're looking for a quality headlight restoration kit, this is definitely an option for you to pursue. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.